Dear colleagues and friends, last December, Kazakhstan celebrated the 30 years of its independence. And today the Diplomatic Service of Kazakhstan marks its 30th anniversary. Kazakh diplomacy has centuries-old roots, which are the heritage of the wise Great Steppe diplomacy, roots that help safeguard one of the largest countries in the world on the crossroad of Europe and Asia. Kazakh diplomats work for Kazakhstan as a sovereign, peaceful and open country in an often complex geopolitical context and landlocked geographical position. In the last 30 years, Kazakhstan has firmly established itself as an active and respected member of the international community, one of the main advocates of the non-proliferation movement and a nuclear-free world, a leading state in Central Asia and a trusted partner and friend of the European Union. On behalf of the EU, I sincerely congratulate Kazakhstan and its diplomats, and I wish you success, prosperity, and peaceful development for many, many years ahead. Thank you.